And another train. This is it, baby. Oh yeah, there she is. 6 South Vale Ave. There's a piano right there. There she is. Let's do the damn thing, baby. What'd it do? Where you at? I think she's loud too. I think you're still original. Let's hear it, baby. Fuck yeah, man. What's your date? You are dark. 99. God damn. June 99. Is your door timer fucked too? Thank you, God. So this is a new indicator. Doesn't have the, or where is it? Usually there, the logo. And that's like a new font for the capacity. We're probably not supposed to be down here, but that's fine. Bro, please. Just hurry the fuck up. Ooh. Ooh. You might be a little low. That is an interesting controller, huh? Beautiful. Well, while I'm here, let's listen to that chime again. Still original. Fucking beautiful. This place is gorgeous. Look at this, dude. Whole ass piano. This atrium is pretty. Oh, okay. So you left. This is why we can't have nice things. Well, in that case, guess I'll keep sitting here. There we go. Who the fuck is, what is going on?
Sorry, guys.
Well, that was rude. Oh yeah, I should probably do the other parts of the video. Ring from inside? No, you don't. What is that sensor doing, bro? It's so quiet, bro. It literally just feels like I'm writing on a piece of history again. I know I said that about Garden Fresh, but like... Okay, madam. Okay, I'm gonna stop going to 2. Is that just your controller? Are you just old? Well, yeah, I mean, you are. Yeah, Like, obviously. I don't know why the fuck I just said that. But that's some weird controller shit.
The guest list.
Literally any day that you would like to close. Yeah, now you don't have an air? Okay. I don't know what you're doing, bro. June 99. Well, I already highlighted that once again. Seeing 2 in one day makes it feel commonplace, but god damn, this is so rare. It's fucking beautiful. Gorgeous, as per expected. That's it.